I want to make sourdough pancake for tomorrow breakfast, and let's see how I'm doing it. Okay, first I'm going to need 100 gram of sourdough starter. Okay, 100 gram of sourdough starter. Okay. Then I'm going to need 100 gram of rice flour. And then I'm going to need 100 gram of whole wheat flour. Then I'm going to have 200 gram of water. Oops, my bowl is too small. Okay, then after that, we're going to mix it well. Okay, make sure you mix it well. No lump. Try to make it as smooth as possible. By the end of it, it's supposed to be a very wet dough-like. Okay, I'm going to transfer to a bigger bowl so I mix it thoroughly. Okay, you see how lumpy it is. Be patient, just continue stirring. After when it stirs smoothly, right, and I'm going to leave it for about 10, maybe 12 hours. Let it rise, and tomorrow I'm going to make breakfast out of it. Okay, so right now you can see it's not so lumpy anymore. We still have a little bit here and there, so continue mixing it until you get a very good consistency. Okay, very smooth consistency. That's what we are looking at. Okay, you don't want to have lumpy, you just want a smooth consistency. Give it a good stir, a bit more, maybe 30 seconds more. Okay. So this is the smooth consistency that I'm looking at. Okay, no lumpy, nothing, just smooth. Okay, okay, that's it. I'm going to transfer to a bigger bowl because it's going to be double or triple the size, so I definitely need a bigger container for that. So then we let it rise, and I shall see you all tomorrow.